My neighbor spent $11,000 on car repairs last year, transmission replacement, $4,000 engine work, $3,000 suspension repairs, $2,000 brake job, $800 battery and alternator, $1,200. Every single one of those failures could have been prevented with basic maintenance that cost almost nothing. She thought she was saving money by skipping oil changes and ignoring small problems. Instead, she paid for catastrophic failures that destroyed her budget. Meanwhile, I spent $800 on maintenance for the entire year. My car runs perfectly, no breakdowns, no emergency repairs, no surprises. The difference? 12 simple habits that prevent expensive problems before they start. Today, I'm showing you the exact maintenance habits that save $3,000 or more every year. These aren't complicated. Most take 5 minutes. Some cost nothing. All of them prevent the expensive failures mechanics profit from. This is True Cost Auto. Let's talk about the 12 habits that keep your money in your pocket instead of your mechanics. Habit 1. Check your oil monthly. Pop your hood once a month, pull the dipstick. Check the level, takes 2 minutes, costs nothing. Prevents engine failure, low oil causes engine damage. Seized pistons, worn bearings, destroyed engines, repair cost, $3,000 to $8,000. Checking monthly catches low oil before damage happens. Add a quart if needed. $15 versus $3,000 in repairs. What mechanics won't tell you? They love customers who never check oil. When your engine ceases from running dry, they get to sell you a new engine. Pure profit. Annual savings from this habit, $500 in prevented damage. Habit 2. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. Front tires wear faster than rears. Rotation evens out the wear. Skip rotation, and your front tires wear out in 20,000 miles. Buy 2 new tires. $300, rotate regularly, and all 4 tires last 40,000 miles. Replace all 4 at once for $600, but you got double the life. Cost breakdown, without rotation, $300 every 20,000 miles equals $600 per 40,000 miles. With rotation, $600 per 40,000 miles, but rotation costs $50 each time. 5 rotations over 40,000 miles equals $250. You still save $350 by rotating. Plus, uneven tire wear causes alignment problems, suspension wear, and handling issues, more repairs down the road. What to say? I need a tire rotation. Just rotation, nothing else. Don't let them upsell alignment unless tires show uneven wear. Annual savings, $350. Habit 3. Replace air filters yourself. Engine air filter costs $12 on Amazon dealers charge $45 plus $20 installation. Replacing it yourself takes 2 minutes. Pop the clips, lift the old filter out, drop the new one in, close the clips, done. Do this twice a year like you should, and you save $106 annually versus dealer prices cabin air filter. Same story. $8 on Amazon. Dealers charge $45 plus installation. Located behind your glove box on most cars, remove a few clips. Slide old filter out. Slide new one in, 2 minutes. Total annual savings on both filters, $212. What mechanics won't tell you, these filters are the easiest upsells in the industry. They buy them for $8 and charge you $65. You just paid them $57 for 2 minutes of work you could do yourself. Habit 4. Keep your gas tank above quarter. Full running low on gas damages your fuel pump. Your fuel pump sits inside the gas tank. Fuel keeps it cool. When you run low constantly, the pump overheats. Premature failure. Fuel pump replacement, $400 to $800. Keeping your tank above 1 quarter. Cost you nothing. Just fill up sooner. Prevents $400 to $800 repair. Bonus, you won't get stranded. No towing fees. No emergency gas can purchase. No wasted time. Annual savings, $400 in prevented fuel pump failure over the life of your car. Habit 5. Wash your car regularly, especially the underside roads, salt, dirt, and grime cause rust. Rust causes expensive structural problems. Wash your car every 2 weeks in winter. Pay extra for undercarriage spray at the car wash. $5 more? Skip this and rust eats through your frame, subframe, brake lines, fuel lines, and exhaust system brake line rust and failure. Repair costs $800 to $1,200. Subframe rust. Replacement costs $1,500 to $3,000. Frame rust. Your car is totaled. Complete loss. Spending $5 extra per wash, twice a month for 6 winter months, costs $60 annually. Prevents thousands in rust repairs. Annual savings, $1,000 in prevented rust damage averaged over vehicle lifetime. Habit 6. Check tire pressure. Monthly, underinflated tires wear faster, reduce fuel economy, and can blow out check pressure monthly. Takes 3 minutes. Free air at most gas stations. What it prevents? Premature tire wear. Save $200 by making tires last their full life, reduced fuel economy. Underinflated tires drop your MPG by 3%. On 15,000 miles per year at 30 MPG and $3.50 per gallon, that's $52 wasted annually blowouts. Tire replacement plus potential accident damage, hundreds to thousands. What to say at the shop? What's the recommended tire pressure for my car? It's on a sticker inside your driver's door. Not what the shop says, what the sticker says. Overinflating wears the center, underinflating wears the edges. Correct pressure makes tires last. Annual savings, $250. Habit 7. Address warning lights immediately. Check engine lights warn you about problems before they become catastrophic. Ignore a check engine light, and a $50 oxygen sensor problem becomes a $2,000 catalytic converter replacement. Ignore an oil pressure light, and you destroy your engine, $3,000 to $8,000. What to do? Get the code read immediately. Free at AutoZone, O'Reilly, and most parts stores. Don't pay a dealer $150 for diagnostics. Once you know the code, research it. Many fixes are simple and cheap if caught early. Small problems become big problems when ignored. Big problems empty your bank account. Annual savings, $500 in prevented escalation of minor issues. Habit 8. Follow your owner's manual, not your mechanic. Your owner's manual tells you exactly what maintenance your car needs. And when mechanics recommend services, you don't need to increase their profit. Examples: transmission flush every 30,000 miles. Your manual says $60,000 or never cost, $150 to $300 unnecessary. Coolant flush every 30,000 miles. Your manual says $60,000 to $100,000 cost, $120 unnecessary. Fuel system cleaning. Most manuals never recommend this unless you have problems. Cost, $150 unnecessary. Add it up. Following your mechanic instead of your manual costs you $420 in unnecessary services every 30,000 miles. What to do? Keep your owner's manual in your glove box. When a mechanic recommends service, check the manual first. If it's not listed, you don't need it. Annual savings, $210 in avoided unnecessary services. Habit 9. Buy your own parts for big repairs. Shops mark up parts by 50 to 100%. For big repairs, buy the part yourself from Rock Auto or Amazon. Have the shop install it. Example: alternator replacement. Dealer parts cost $350. Rock Auto cost $120. You save $230 on the part alone. Some shops charge a customer-supplied parts fee, usually $50. You still save $180. When to do this? Any repair over $300 in parts cost alternators, starters, AC compressors, water pumps, radiators. When not to do this, small stuff isn't worth it. Oil changes, filters, belts. The savings are minimal and shops get annoyed. What to say? I found this part for this price online. Can you match it? Or can I supply the part and you install it? Good shops say yes, bad shops get defensive. Annual savings, $400 on major repairs when needed. Habit 10. Keep up with small maintenance to prevent big failures. Timing belt replacement costs $600 to $1,000. Skipping it costs $3,000 to $8,000. When a timing belt breaks, it destroys your engine valves. Then you need engine rebuild or replacement. Same logic applies too. Coolant changes prevent radiator and heater core failures. Skip the $100 coolant change. Pay $1,000 for radiator replacement. Brake pad replacement at $200 prevents rotor damage. Skip it. Pay $800 for pads and rotors. Spark plug replacement at $150 prevents ignition coil and catalytic converter damage. Skip it. Pay $1,000. The pattern. Small preventive maintenance stops big expensive failures. What mechanics won't tell you, they make more money when you skip maintenance and come back with catastrophic failures. A timing belt replacement is $600. An engine replacement is $6,000. Which one makes them more money? Annual savings, $600 in prevented major failures. Habit 11. Learn to spot upsells. Shops survive on upselling services you don't need. Common upsells to refuse: engine flush. Your oil changes already flush your engine, $120 wasted. Brake fluid flush based on color alone. Brake fluid darkens naturally. Age matters, not color. $120 wasted power steering flush. Most cars have sealed systems that never need flushing. $95 wasted. Throttle body cleaning. Modern cars don't need this unless you have idle problems. $95 wasted. Total upsells per visit. $430 you don't need to spend. What to do? When they recommend service, ask 2 questions. 1. Is this in my owner's manual maintenance schedule? 2. What specific problem will this fix? If it's not in your manual and they can't name a specific problem, it's an upsell. Decline it. Annual savings, $430. Habit 12. Build a relationship with one honest shop. Shop hopping means every place treats you like a one-time customer. They maximize profit per visit because they assume you're not coming back. Find one honest shop and stick with them. How to find honest shops. Test them with something small: oil change. See if they pressure you for upsells. Ask questions. Good shops love explaining. Bad shops get defensive. Get recommendations from friends, not online reviews. Online reviews can be faked. Once you find a good shop, be a loyal customer. They'll treat you better because they want your long-term business, not just one big sale. What this saves: honest shops don't upsell unnecessary services. They catch small problems before they become big ones. They give you fair prices because they want you to come back. The difference? A dishonest shop charges you $800 for a brake job you don't need. An honest shop tells you that your brakes are fine and saves you $800. That's relationship value. Annual savings, $300 in avoided scams, plus peace of mind. The cost breakdown. Let's add up the annual savings from these 12 habits. Habit 1. Check oil monthly, $500. Habit 2. Rotate tires, $350. Habit 3. Replace filters yourself, $212. Habit 4. Keep gas above quarter tank, $400. Habit 5. Wash car regularly, $1,000. Habit 6. Check tire pressure, $250. Habit 7. Address warning lights, $500. Habit 8. Follow owner's manual, $210. Habit 9. Buy your own parts, $400. Habit 10. Keep up small maintenance, $600. Habit 11. Spot upsells, $430. Habit 12. One honest shop, $300. Total annual savings, $5,152. I said $3,000 in the title. The real number is over $5,000 when you add up all 12 habits. That's $5,000 staying in your pocket. Instead of going to mechanics for failures you could have prevented and services you didn't need. Car ownership doesn't have to drain your bank account. The difference between my neighbor spending $11,000 on repairs and me spending $800 isn't luck, it's habits. These 12 habits take minimal time. Most cost nothing. Some save you thousands. Mechanics profit when you don't know what your car needs. When you skip basic maintenance. And when you can't spot upsells, they're counting on you being too busy, too intimidated, or too trusting to question them. But now you know better. In the description below, I've linked to a free downloadable 12-habit checklist. Print it. Keep it in your glove box. Follow it. Save thousands. If this just changed how you think about car maintenance, subscribe. This is True Cost Auto, where we show you how to keep your car running and your money in your pocket. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Your car doesn't have to be expensive if you know what you're doing. See you in the next one.